Heat your pan and put about 3 tablespoons of oil. Cook your rice. Chop 1 big onion. And then saute the onion. And I grill my salmon. Keep stirring the onions. I need some chili, so this chili paste is from Aldi. I don't think that looks hot enough, so I'm gonna be adding something from chili oil. Rice is cooking as I continue to stir. Salmon is cooking. Sprinkle of sugar. I decided to put some prawns because I remember I've got some frozen prawns. And then cover, medium heat. Open it and stir again. Cover again for another maybe couple of minutes. And keep stirring. And then I forgot that I've got some cherry tomatoes. While everything else is getting ready, I thought I'd just add some cherry tomatoes. Keep stirring, it's almost done. Half an hour, gourmet lunch. Salmon's ready. Rice. Chili prawns. Buon appetito!